Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to enable screen reader with Onn TV. Now, if you are on TV home screen like I am, just navigate to quick settings. I'm going to be looking for all settings. Now that you are on all settings, scroll down and navigate to accessibilities. Click on accessibilities and scroll down. At the top, you can find talk back. This is a screen reader. If you want to enable it, just click on it, and if you click on this button, you enable it. If you go down, you can configure the settings, the configuration. So talkback is a screen recorder accessibility feature, whereas screen reader accessibility feature is going to assist visually impaired persons to read aloud the on-screen text, the menus, the items, and other elements. You can also set up with an accessibility shortcut, but this is the proper way to do it. Just click on enable and that will get talkback working seamlessly. So if you found that insightful, if you got your talkback working, hit that like button to help the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.